This is the SL2443 high intensity discharge spotlight from 909. This is a very powerful spotlight, and yet the run time compared to a standard spotlight of the same intensity, this will run approximately 10% longer. The bulb in this unit is a 20 watt high intensity discharge bulb, and the battery is a lead acid sealed battery, 12 volt, 1.2 amp hour. The unit operates on a trigger switch directly under the barrel, and by depressing the switch the light will come on. The light over the first 15 seconds is slightly at a less intensity, and after 15 seconds it goes to its full brightness. On the opposite side is a lock-on device, so the trigger can be depressed, the light comes on, and it can now be locked in the on position. To release, push the lock-on button downwards. The product comes with a 240 volt charger, and it also comes with a 12 volt adapter for plugging into a cigarette lighter into the car. I'm using a jump starter here to operate the 12 volt DC. We insert the plug into the cigarette lighter of the car and insert the 12 volt cable into the back of the spotlight. This unit is now charging from the jump starter. At the same time, we can also use the product using the power from the jump starter, or in the case of a vehicle, generator, or wherever we can get a 12 volt supply with a cigarette lighter. This will be suitable for this sort of spotlight. So in the case the battery goes completely flat in the spotlight, we can go directly off the alternate source and continue to use the spotlight. When using the spotlight on the charger, there is an indicator light on the back here, which is giving us an indication of the status of the battery. At this stage it's orange. It's saying the battery is of a mid condition of charge. If I remove the 12 volt supply, pull the light on, it's now a red light indicating there is low voltage coming from the battery, and the battery does need to be charged. Using the 240 volt charger, we can plug this directly into its correct charging socket, like so, and a red light comes on indicating the spotlight is now charging. Again, this is probably the top of the range spotlight in the 909 range. It's a very powerful spotlight, and it runs on a lead acid battery. So after the first 3 months it should be recharged, and thereafter. So every 3 months this unit should be recharged whether it's used or not. It uses a 20 watt HID bulb and gives approximately 10% longer run time than a standard spotlight of the same intensity.